This is Zahid Abbas and you are watching this video on IT Assignment Professor. Today I am going to start new perspective Excel module 1 project A. So let's start from the beginning. This is our Excel sheet. This is our world sheet, instruction sheet. So you can download these two files from the same website. Let's start. Go to the Excel sheet, go to the file, go to save as, click on browse. Just replace this one with 2 and click on save button. Okay, so we have completed this paragraph as we have done in previous videos. So let's start from the beginning. Question number 1. As the office administrator, you use Excel to maintain personal data and summarize cash flow. You are finalizing the personal and cash flow worksheet for the current week. Okay, begin on the personal worksheet by cutting the contents of the range B1 to B2 and paste them into the range A1 to A2. Okay, so copy this range B1 B2, Control C, go on Excel sheet, paste the value for range here, press enter. So we need to cut this, right click and cut, then paste into range A1 A2, Control V. Okay, so question number 1 is complete. Question number 2 is adjust the width of the column A using auto fit. Go to the column A and move the cursor. When plus sign appear, just double click here, so it will automatically adjust the width of the column A. Okay, question number 2 complete. Question number 3 is change the width of the column B to 16. Go to Excel sheet, right click, go to the column width, dial 14 and click OK. Question number 3 complete. Question number 4, enter the value shown in the table 1 into the corresponding cell in the range B14 to C16. We need to put these value in the range B14 and B16. Simple. So copy these value one by one, Control C, B14. This is our B column and we need to go on 14 here. So just paste the value here. Okay, then again copy the second value, Control C, and paste value here. Third value, Control C, and paste the value here. So this is our column C. So now we will put the other values in column C. Go to instruction sheet, copy these value one by one and paste here. Control C and Control V. Simply copy and paste. The last value is 0.00. Press enter. Okay, so question number 4 is complete. Now move to the next question. Next question is question number 5. Enter this email in cell D5. Okay, first of all copy this email, Control C, go to D5 cell and paste here. Then he is saying that select the range D5 to D16 and then use the flash fill button to use the fill drop down arrow in the edit group on the home tab. Okay, so we will select this range and go to flash fill. Okay, automatically this is complete by using the autofill. The question number 5 is complete. Now move to the next question. Change the width of the column D to 36. Go to click on column D, right click and change the width 14. Let's reconfirm. Sorry, 36. 36. Click on OK. Next question number 7. Enter the word total in cell A17. So copy this word total and paste in the cell A17. A17. Paste here. Okay. Question number 7 clear. Question number 8. In cell B17, create a formula using the sum function to determine the total salaries paid by Tabula Insurance Agency by totaling the value in the range B5 to B6. Copy the formula you create in cell B17 to C17. Okay, so first of all we will create a formula in cell number B17. Cell B17, this is a cell B17 is equal to sum of function. The range is B5 to B16. Copy this range and paste here, bracket close, enter. Okay, copy the formula you created in B17 to cell C17. Just drag in the right side. So this question is complete. So question number 9. Enter number of employees in cell A19. Copy this number of employees, Control C, and go in the cell A19. This is our cell A19. Just paste here. Okay, so this question is complete. Question number 10. In cell B19, create a formula using the count function to determine the number of people employed by Tabula Insurance Agency by counting the value in the range B5 to B16. Okay, just copy this value, go in cell B19. This is B19 is equal to count function. Just paste the range value here, bracket close, enter. So 12 number of employees. Okay, so this question is complete. The next question is enter the text average commission in cell A21. Okay, so copy this average commission, Control C, and go in the cell A21. A21, this is our A21. Just paste the value here. Okay, so this is complete. Now question number 12. Switch to the cash flow worksheet. Change the orientation of the cash flow worksheet to landscape. Okay, now we are going to move cash flow. And what we need to do, go to page layout, then go to orientation, and then click on the landscape. Okay, so we have changed the orientation of the cash flow worksheet to landscape. Okay, the next question is question number 13. In cell A2, change the cell content to cash flow April 4 to 10 2021 instead of just reading April 4 to 10 2021. So just we need to copy this, control C, go to cell A2, this is our cell A2, and paste the date here, press enter. Okay, so this question is complete, question number 13. The next question is question number 14. Select the range A4 to E4 and the non-adjustance cell G8 and then increase the font size of the cell to 12 point. So just copy the range A4 to E4, paste the range here, press enter. Further he is saying that also cell number G8. So go on the Excel sheet, press the control button and go to G8, click here. Okay, and now we need to change the font size. So go on the home button, click on 12. Okay, so question number 14 is done. Now question number 15. To better display the content, manually change the height of the row 3 to 8 points. So we need to change the height of the row number 3. So this is our row number 3. Right click, row height 8. 8. Okay. So 15 questions are complete. Question number 16. In cell B17, enter formula without using a function to determine the profit generated from the auto insurance policy by subtracting auto expenses cell B6 from the auto sale cell B5 for the week of the April 4 to 10 2021. Copy the formula you created in B7 to the range C7 to D7. So first of all we will go to cell number B7. Okay, here we need to put the formula without using the function. Okay, in which we what we will do, subtract the auto expenses cell B6 from the sale B5. Okay, so B6 minus B5 minus B6 is equal to B5 minus B6, enter. Okay, now we need to copy the formula from B7 to C7 and D7. Copy this formula, D7. So 16 questions are complete, 5 questions are remaining left. So if you have this kind of assignment, quiz or exam, you can contact with me. My WhatsApp and email is mentioned in the description, so you can contact me 24/7. Our final assignment will be look like, let me show you. This is our personal worksheet that we have complete, and the second is cash flow worksheet. Some formulas are remaining left, so I will complete for you. If you have assignment, you can contact me anytime. We will meet in the next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.